Being a presenter, a host, a content creator, media personality, a philanthropist, a mother, a wife, whew, all these can get pretty hectic. And there's constantly things going on in my world. I love a beach escape. It completely calms my soul. Lucky for me, I need not cross borders to find beautiful beaches. Living in Kenya, we are spoiled for choice. Lucky for me, I found a hidden gem on the coast of Kilifi. A beach holiday to me means good food, warm weather, great service, and a beautiful ocean view, sea breeze, and serenity. Luckily, right here, there are plenty of options. Somewhere where if I need to connect for work, I can. It's important with what I do to always be impeccably well-groomed, something I advise all women to be. It impacts on one's self-confidence. And I really preach taking time out for oneself, whether it's going to the spa and really switching off, or whether it's focusing on your breath while doing a yoga flow. It's part of the self-love regimen I follow religiously. Be it leisure, exercise, meditation or connection, work or play, I find peace in this resort. I love the space of the rooms here. There's something about these spaces that are so well thought out. Something about this living area where I feel it's homely and luxurious. This means with this much space, I can carry all my stuff and not have to worry about squeezing it into tiny compartments, especially when I travel with the kids. The calming effect of the blue water gives me a much-needed release of my back-to-back jam-packed life. So be it for a few days away, a special occasion, alone with my girls or with my family, I'm so glad I found this hidden gem. It's my new go-to.